This is my outtakes reel from my Area 51 weather stations report. It contains clips that may be restating things that I said in the main report, but they're said in a different way, and I thought I'd want to keep them. So if you've already seen the main report, you may be interested in these additional clips. Nevada is full of conspiracy theories, and DRI is essentially confirming them. Let's say it wants to put a water monitoring station on the Truckee River. Well, neighbors might object and say, you're just putting it there so the government can spy on us. Normally these claims are ridiculous, but DRI is now proving them true. It's saying any weather station that we install could be used by the US government to spy on you. It's not going to be surprising that some citizens may object. Cows on the damn road. Get off the road. Get off the road. Get off the damn road, please. Thank you. I'm being followed. You have no authority to take that camera. You have no authority to take that camera. I came upon a little desert critter. You don't see these things very much, but when you see them, you hardly see them. They blend right in with the soil, meaning you could step on them and get bit. I don't think he can strike any further than his body length. I've got a big camera lens between me and him. I'm not too afraid. Still, I could step on one of these guys without even knowing it. Didn't die too long ago. When there's a security camera from an unknown federal agency sitting in your neighborhood, you've got to wonder what other monitoring equipment they might have there. Can they also hear you? through that equipment? It would be very simple to do. Can they detect other things like your cell phone signal? It's entirely possible. Pardon me, is this the way to Area 51? And we need to conduct an investigation, not just of this weather station thing, but of this special relationship between DRI and the Air Force. Has it affected the other contracts that DRI has done for the Air Force? Has the Air Force just determined how the DRI is going to do its studies? Has the Air Force told DRI what the outcome should be, just like it did with these weather stations? I don't know. That's something we need to find out. But whatever we do, we need to find it out fast, because my ass is getting really cold.